First, take out the bobbin winder and accessories. Install the conductor rod on the chassis base. Tighten the nut and tighten it with a wrench. Take out a roll of yarn. Pass the bobbin thread through the hole of the conductor rod. Pass it through the clamp. Press the thread into the clamp plate. And then pass it through the other hole of the clamp. Install the empty bobbin. Then wind the bobbin thread tightly around the empty bobbin. Place the yarn at a certain height from the bobbin winder. Connect the power supply. Turn on the power switch. Press the red start button. The machine will start winding. After winding is completed, the machine will stop automatically. Cut the wound bobbin thread with a wire cutter. The whole winding process is completed.